In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off flash on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app, and after that, if you look at the top left corner, you will find here that lightning icon, and by tapping at that icon, we can turn on or off flash on our iPhone's camera. By default, if this button looks like that, it means that now flash mode set to auto. So now flash on your camera will be activated if it is dark outside, so flashlight by default works automatically depending on the environment. However, if we would like to turn it off, we can just tap on it once. If that icon crossed out, it means that flash is now turned off. By tapping at that icon, we can switch off mode and auto mode. If you need to turn it on manually, first off, you need to tap at that arrow, and then down below you can easily find the icon that looks like that icon with that lightning, and if we tap on it, we'll be able to switch it between all the three modes: flash auto, flash on, or flash off. If the icon highlighted with a yellow circle, it means that it is turned on and it will be activated while taking a picture, whether it is needed or not. Just like that. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.